Good morning. In the previous video, we learnt about animal fibers and synthetic fibers. Animal fibers such as wool, silk, fur, and which animals provide us these wool, silk, and fur. And synthetic fibers where they are produced, and different types of synthetic fibers such as polyester, nylon, rayon, acrylic, etc. And also the characteristics of synthetic fibers and natural fibers. We also learned the main differences between synthetic fibers and natural fibers. Today we are going to learn about clothes and seasons, clothes in different regions, clothes for work, care of clothes. Clothes and seasons. We should not wear the same type of clothes in all the seasons. We should wear different types of clothes in different seasons. The different seasons are summer, monsoon, winter. In different seasons, we should wear different types of clothes because the weather changes from time to time, day to day, and season to season. Let us see what type of clothes we should wear in different seasons. In summer season, what clothes we should prefer, what color we should prefer, let us see. Summer season. In summer season, the temperature is too high, the weather is too hot. To protect ourselves, we should prefer to wear cotton clothes. Summer season, we get more sweat. Preferable clothes in summer season. We prefer to wear cotton clothes. Winter season. In winter season, the weather is too cold. To protect ourselves from cold weather, we should wear woolen clothes. Preferable clothes in winter season. We prefer to wear woolen clothes in winter season because they keep us cool. Preferable color. In winter season, we prefer to wear dark colored clothes. Dark colored clothes absorb more sunlight and keep us warm. Monsoon season. Monsoon season means rainy season. During monsoon season, we like to wear synthetic clothes because synthetic clothes dry faster. During monsoon season, we should carry umbrella, raincoat while going out. They protect us from getting wet. Clothes in different regions. We wear different types of clothes in different regions. Climatic conditions. Depending on the climatic conditions of that region, people wear different types of clothes in different regions. Tradition of the region. According to the tradition of that region, people like to wear different types of dresses in different types of regions. During festivals, they like to wear their traditional dress according to their family customs and system. Type of dress. Type of dress also differs from one region to another region. For example, a dress of a person living in North India will be different from that of a person living in South India. Different countries, people belonging to different countries should wear different types of dresses according to their climatic conditions and comfort. Clothes for work. Naturally, people should wear special type of clothes for work. These special type of clothes are called uniforms. For example, doctors wear white coats. Soldiers wear a special uniform made up of a tough cloth. Mechanics wear a special dress over their clothes to protect their dress from dust and grease. Lawyers wear black long gown in court. School children wear school uniforms. Pilot wears uniform. Protection of feet. We protect our feet by wearing socks and shoes. They protect us from cold, heat, dust, and germs. Care of clothes. Removing of dirt and germs, a mild detergent, patient clothes, packing the clothes, mothballs or dried neem leaves, silverfish and moths. We must take care of our clothes. Clothes should be washed and dried regularly to remove dirt and germs. A mild detergent. Clothes should be washed, especially woolen clothes or silk clothes should be washed with a mild detergent. And clothes should be exposed to sunlight to remove germs if present. Patient clothes. Patient clothes of the patient should be disinfected by washing them in antiseptic solution. These clothes should be exposed to sunlight to kill the germs if they are present. Packing the clothes. Before packing the clothes, especially woolen clothes or silk clothes, they should be exposed to sunlight. Mothballs are dried neem leaves. Naphthalene balls or dried neem leaves are put in between the folds of the woolen or silk clothes. These protect them from insects such as silverfish or moths. These silverfish and moths attack the cloth and damage them.